Marketing Management Module. Hi, everyone. Let's have a short look at the Marketing Management Module. Marketing management in CBS-CRM helps to promote and sell the product/services by understanding the needs and purpose of leads and customers. It helps to create an email list for customers and leads to sending single or bulk emails to achieve the target. Send unique templates according to your marketing strategy. CBS-CRM developed a proprietary algorithm for sending bulk email campaigns to generate sales. It helps categorize contacts based on criteria, schedule follow-ups, and track interaction. To know more about, visit www.cbscrm.cbssys.com.